Hey everyone, I'm back and today I'm bringing you something special, Ogbono soup. I know you will love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave your comment and always share my video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support me. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. And yeah, my ingredients for this recipe, I use mostly dried ingredients to prepare this ogbono soup. So here is my ogbono. The ogbono is dried, okay? So most of my ingredients are dried. In fact, all of my ingredients are dried ingredients. I'll be making use of Cameroon pepper. This is dried Cameroon pepper. For my vegetable, I'll be using bitter leaf. You can use uziza leaf if you want. So I'm going to be soaking this bitter leaf in hot water, okay? While the soup is cooking, I'll be soaking, the bitter leaf will be soaking in hot water. And here is my catfish. I'll also soak this in hot water for about 3 minutes and then I'm going to wash it. Here I have stockfish and also I have my dried goat meat. So I'm using goat meat here. This is smoked goat meat. It's already dried. So I'm going to be cooking this. I was supposed to soak it in hot water before cooking, but I was so busy so I couldn't do it. So I'm going to be cooking it together with the stockfish. And here is my crayfish. So guys, we are going to start now to cook our meat and our stockfish. And in a clean pot, I'm going to be adding in my goat meat and my stockfish. I've already washed them. I washed it with hot water. Then I'll be adding in onions. Some people don't use onions to cook their ogbono soup. Let me know in the comment section. Are you among those that don't use onions to cook your ogbono soup? Because you say it doesn't draw. Well, it depends on the ogbono. But I always use onions to cook most of my soup. I'm going to be adding in my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary Maggi. And then I'll be adding in my dried pepper. I'm going in with all of this pepper because the weather is so cold, okay? I need something spicy for this weather. Then I'll add in water, just a little water to cook the meat, okay? I'm going to stir this now. I will cover the pot and allow this to cook. I'm going to be topping the water off camera. Once our meat and stockfish is cooked, that you're sure is cooked, okay? Mine took me a very long time because they are all dried. So I'm going to be adding in my dried catfish now. Then I will go in with my crayfish. So for the ogbono, what I did was to dissolve it in hot oil, hot palm oil. So this is salt. I'm going in with salt. I'm going to stir this now. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please help me to like this video. If you have not liked this video, always like my video. Please, it helps the algorithm to push the video. Please guys, always like my video. I'm going to cover this now. Allow this to cook for some more. So at this point, our proteins are ready. I'm going to be adding in my ogbono now. So like I said, I dissolve this ogbono in hot palm oil. I'm going to be adding in this ogbono now, my dissolved ogbono. Then I'm going to stir. I'll be adding in a little water because the soup is thick. I don't like thick soup. So I'm going to be adding in water to loosen the soup. I'm going to stir this again. So at this point you can test for salt, and if you think you need to adjust your seasoning, go ahead to adjust it. I will cover now and allow this to cook. I'm going to be stirring this occasionally, okay, so that it doesn't get burnt. But then because of this pot, our soup got burnt, guys. But it's not much. It's not that bad. It's not even bad. So I'm going to stir this now. So now I'm going to add in bitter leaf. At this point, you can add in any vegetable of your choice, okay? If it's spinach, uziza leaf, bitter leaf, just go in and add it now, okay? I'm going to stir, cover and allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Guys, let me know in the comment section the swallow you'll be enjoying this ogbono with. Ogbono soup goes well with fufu or pounded yam. Let me know the one you'll be enjoying this soup with. I'm just going to cover this pot and allow this to cook for just 3 minutes, okay? And 3 minutes later our soup is ready. The aroma in this kitchen is so divine. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you shared the video? Please help me to subscribe, help me to like the video, okay? Help me to do all of that good stuff to this channel. You can see the way our ogbono is drawing, even though I added onions and also covered the pots. And guys, our yummy and delicious ogbono soup is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, do all that beautiful stuff, okay? Please guys, I am begging, like my video, subscribe and share, okay? Comment in the comment section the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until I come your way again in another video, please stay safe and Merry Christmas to you all. Bye.